हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम डॉक्टर हितेश खुराना। गाइस, आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी एक्सरसाइजेस आपकी बैक पेन के लिए, जो कि मैकेनिकल लो बैक पेन है, जो कि किसी ट्रैवल की वजह से या सडनली बेंड करने की वजह से हो गया है, जो कि अनडायग्नोज पेन है, जो जनरली स्टिफनेस की वजह से होता है। आई एम गोइंग टू टेल फ्यू एक्सरसाइजेस व्हिच आर स्ट्रेचिंग एंड सम एक्सरसाइजेस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So guys, the first exercise we'll be going to do is a knee to chest. In this, you just bend your one knee and take it towards your same side shoulder, like this. See, if you have a sensitive knees, like you have a pain in your knee, so better you take it from the back of your thigh like this, and you have to just stretch it like this. In this, you have to hold it for at least 30 seconds, and you have to do on the both sides for like 3 times on this side and three times on the other side. And this will give you stretch over here in this region and over the lower back region. Then after this, the second exercise, you can do it on both the legs like this. But again, if you have a sensitive knees, you can do it like this. This will give you a stretch in the whole of this area, and it is a very good exercise. So the third exercise is a lumbar rotation. In this, just bend your both the knees, then just take both the knees to the one side like this. You will feel a stretch on the side of your back like this. Then again on the other side, you will feel a stretch on this portion, and you have to hold it for 30 seconds, and you can do both sides for at least 10 times. Then the fourth exercise, we call it as a bridging exercise. In this same bending position of your knee, just lift your pelvis like this, and make sure it should be in a straight line like this. It should not be so high, it should not be so low, it should be into a straight line like this. So you have to hold it for count of 10 and then relax. We'll do it one more time like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then relax. So in the fifth exercise, we'll call it as a pelvic tilt. Pelvic tilt बोलते हैं हम इसको. In this, you have to just press your back and you have to rotate your pelvis like this. Like this, you have to just rotate, then hold it, and then relax. Then again, you have to press your back on the couch like this, then relax. This also you have to do it 10 to 15 times. So now my sixth exercise is, we call it as a child pose. We'll do it on just come on your knees, then just lie down straight like this. In this exercise, if you're not comfortable, then you can avoid this, or if you're comfortable, you can keep your elbows and you can do like this. Also, you can wide your knees as per your comfort. You can wide more, you can wide less. It can be at least 2 fists difference between both the knees. So this is a child pose. And in the next exercise, we call it as a, हम लोग भुजंग आसन जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग, या मैकेंजी एक्सरसाइज हम बोलते हैं. In this, आपको you have to just lie down like this. Just keep your hands under your both the shoulders like this, and आपको पूरा रेस करना है अपने आप को. Then again you have to hold it, count for 10, and then relax very slowly. So in the last exercise, we call it as a cat and camel. You have to come in both all the fours, and it's very simple, and again it is a very good for your mobility of your spine, and it will definitely relieve a lot of pain from your spine. So in this, just you have to first relax and see straight like this, and then afterwards just raise your spine as up as you can, and then just try to touch your chin to your chest like this. Then again relax. So guys, if you do all these exercises, they are really good for your back and they'll really help you. Guys, if you like this video, please give a comment. And if you have any question or you want me to like what video should I make in the future for you, just write it in the comment box. Also, please give the likes and comments below in the comment section. Guys, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज इट्स अ राइट चांस टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो थैंक यू सो मच. Guys, you can also watch these two videos. One is on the exercises for your stiff neck and other is for this exercises, 5 exercises for strengthening of your core program, core exercises.